What up, everybody? It's your boy Chef Jay Strongs, and welcome to the Elevated Chef. And today we're back in the kitchen with a dank recipe, a little twist on pigs in a blanket and chicken and waffles. We're doing chicken in a maple blanket. Let's head to the kitchen. So for this recipe, I'll be using cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla extract, some 420 EVOO, some chicken tenderloins, and a little bit of easy peasy pancake mix. Just add water. But in this case, we're going to be adding some milk to make sure them pancakes are extra fluffy. Start by seasoning your chicken with pepper, and then I add a little special blend of your boy's herbs and spices, and then I mix it all together. If you ain't getting all in hands and fingers with your chicken, if you ain't rubbing your chicken, you ain't loving your chicken, and it ain't gonna come out right. Then cut it up into thin slices or thin pieces. It's gonna make for a little bit easier of a cook, and also they gotta fit in the pancakes. Once your chicken's all cut up, return it back to the container that you seasoned it in. Add a little bit of flour, and then a little bit more love, a little bit more seasoning. And again, you gotta get up in there and rub a dub, all that good seasoning love up over your grub. Bars. And then place a pan over high heat and add your 420 EVOO. You can do a little water test. A little sprinkle of water should pop right in that pan. Once you begin to cook off all your chicken, getting that nice golden brown because the flavor's in the brown, all that crispy goodness, reserve to the side and keep warm while you work on your pancake mix. By adding your easy peasy pancake mix, a little bit of nutmeg, a little bit of cinnamon, add a little bit of your milk, and a little vanilla, ice baby, mix together, and add the rest of your milk. You're definitely going for a nice smooth consistency, so whip it real good. Once your pancake batter is all nice and smooth and ready to fire, you can add your butter to your pan, because more butter, more better. And begin to add your pancakes to the pan in a strip form We're making pancake strips to go with our chicken strips, and it's gonna be stripalicious. Dankalicious, delicious stripishness. It's gonna be fine. Once your pancakes are in the pan, add your chicken. Once you get the nice bubble in to show your pancakes cooking, flip them over. Once your pancakes are all cooked through, go ahead and pull them off of the pan. Should be all cooked, no soggy, all tasty. I'm gonna add a little bit of that maple drizzle, and I'm telling y'all, should almost be illegal how good this shit is. So if you wanted to knock this recipe up an elevated notch or two, or any recipe for that matter, just think about any place where I've used butter or oil and just use your infused butter instead. Want to bring more elevated recipes like this into your kitchen? Be sure to check out the Elevated Chef Cookbook, available on Amazon and in the description below. Hey, I know pigs in a blanket can be a bad mamma jamma, but I think this just trumped all that. This is fire. Chicken and waffles all together in one tasty little bite. If you like shit like this, hit subscribe with the bell next to it to be notified every time tasty shit is dropping on you guys like this or the other dope content coming from your boy. You already know what it is. Stay elevated.